Troubleshooting and maintenance of washing machines. As with any appliance, please refer to the instruction manual. If you do not have one, then Google up the model number. This will supply the most accurate information on what to do for your particular model. Here are some of the common problems and tips to assist you in isolating the issue. Check that the washing machine is plugged in securely and powering the unit. Check that the circuit breaker or fuse box has not been tripped. Also check that the water supply taps are turned on and make sure that there is no kinks in the hoses supplying water. Inspect the filter screens and test for overheating. If these tips do not rectify the problem, then you may need a qualified tradesperson to look at the machine.